Hey, what's up guys? This is Steven with NorCal Screen Print Supply. Today we have one of our favorite customers in the shop, Brian, and he's gonna tell us a little bit about his shop and his business and where you can find him and all the cool stuff he's doing. So Brian?
Yeah, my company's called Revink Merch. We've been around about 21 years now. I run a little small house shop, but we do a few thousand prints a week, and it's just me and right now my son working for me. But you can go to revinkmerch.com. We sell records and all kinds of t-shirts and stuff there, but you can order your custom needs through me. And I've been using Steven here for a few years now, and I don't really go anywhere else.
Thanks, Brian. Yeah, we appreciate your business and we appreciate you and the good words. And yeah, we'll take a look at your shop as well, and that'll be fun. And
Can you pay me now?
sometime. We'll see. Payment plan.
Payment plan.
Thanks for watching.
Bye-bye.